Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make wrap mince meat and tortillas. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need tomato sauce, garlic, tomatoes, onions, black pepper, salt. The salt is outside, and then the ground pork, and then the tortilla, and then garlic powder, onion powder, and then black pepper and salt. It's here already. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna add the black pepper and salt, and then onion powder. Okay, I need okay, onion powder, and then the garlic powder. I have so much of garlic powder. Thank you for my generous cousin who sent me this one. Okay, from Canada. Okay. And then basil. No, we just add this basil in our sauce. Okay. So now I'm gonna mix this one. My hands are clean. And then I'm gonna add parsley. Okay, guys. So we're gonna cover this one first, and then we're gonna put in the refrigerator using plastic wrap. Okay. And then and while waiting for that one, we're gonna make the sauce first. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna saute the garlic. And then we're gonna saute very well. And then the onions. And then the tomatoes, guys. And then we're gonna put black pepper. And then we're gonna add the tomatoes. We're gonna add the tomatoes, guys. And then oyster sauce. It's good. And then I'm gonna add basil, guys. Basil. Okay, just a teaspoon of basil. Mm, it's yummy already. I like it. Okay, that's our sauce, guys. I'm gonna off the heat. And then we're done with the sauce. And then okay, guys, we're gonna assemble. Okay, we're gonna add the meat here. Mhm. They're gonna do like this. Okay. Okay, guys. Like that. Okay. Like this. And we're gonna put it here. Okay. Mm. Mm. You can slice this one for how many, but I just do it one whole. It's like an enchilada, but this is not an enchilada. Try to taste if it's not salty, but it's not salty. Okay. Okay, we're almost done. Then add the sauce, okay? Okay, I'm gonna add the sauce, guys. Mm. With 40 to 45 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. The oven is preheated already. Okay, guys. And now we'll be right back for 40 to 45 minutes. Guys, by the way, I forgot to put and cover an aluminum foil, so I take it out and cover it. And now we're gonna uncover. Okay, like that, so, because you know it's super hot. Okay, I'm gonna uncover it. Okay, uncover it, and then I'm gonna put cheese on. Put cheese. Okay. Okay. I have a gloves, guys, but it's melting already, so we're gonna take it out. Okay. Look at that one. Wrapped minced meat and tortilla. So look at that one. So we're gonna taste na. I just taste a little, guys. Not a piece, but just a little. Guys, just taste a little because I cannot eat all. Okay, so this is it. It's yummy, guys. The ground pork, it's very yummy. And then all the spices there is there, and then the cheese, it's super yummy. Super yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and Instagram, and to all my accounts, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.